Every parent thirsts for a good school for their child. As parents, we dream that our child grow up to be smart, confident and capable to do good in life. We look for a school which could fulfill our dreams to make our children confident citizens and make them ready to face every challenge of life comfortably and tackle them competently. Pratap World School, ideally located on Defence Road in Pathankot, Punjab, is the right place for your child. Pratap World School was established in the year 2006 and is a co-educational English medium residential cum day boarding school affiliated to CBSE Delhi up to senior secondary level. True education enables us to achieve to the best of our capabilities and provide children the resources that will endure a lifetime.
Great morning, dear parents. I'm Mrs. Subhra Rani, Principal Pratap World School. I'm going to tell you something about my schools. The school provides a conducive environment, stress-free environment to each and every child so that they grow effectively.
The school lays immense stress on academics and has produced the best board results over the years. Well-equipped classrooms, experienced and educated teachers, the incorporated chemistry, physics, biology and mathematics practical laboratories add value to it. Smart class facility in every classroom and 3D labs make teaching and learning more effective. Intensive coaching for various entrance examinations related to medical, non-medical, NDA and CACPT are incorporated with mainstream.
I'm studying in Pratap World School and I'm a hosteler here. I've come this year only and it's a very fine experience for me to get here. After all, I can say that truly I have made the right decision to come here. A special focus is given to our studies. Our preps are being conducted every day after the school hours and we are always asked to study with the full focus, with the full enthusiasm and potential. Apart from this, not only all the focus is given to our studies only, but we are also provided with the chances so that we can, means our physical strength could be improved, thereby increasing our potential also. Every morning and evening, we come out of the hostel for the morning walk and the evening walk, and thereby increasing our stamina and the potential. And it is well said that all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Therefore, we must also involve ourselves in the sports activities so that we can give our full potential in the studies also.
Here at PWS, along with academics, attention is also given to the post-scholastic area and other activities. The school takes pride in possessing a swimming pool, basketball court, volleyball court, cricket pitch of international standard, skating rink, football ground, kho-kho ground and various obstacle games. Various indoor games are also a common feature at PWS like carom, chess, badminton, billiards, table soccer and table tennis. Both boys and girls are divided into 4 houses: Gandhi, Nehru, Subhash and Patel. This system develops a healthy competitive spirit among the students and also inculcates qualities of a good sportsman. We inculcate the leadership qualities through the prefectorial system.
Pratap World School is a school where I study and live. An awesome school with great facilities as well as great teachers. The teachers here take care of us as if I was their own child and encourage us to have a successful career in life.
Regular inter-house activities in sports, fine arts, dance, theatre are conducted to make the children learn true spirit of competition in a friendly environment.
I am Anil. I am from army background. My daughter Varsha Yadav is studying in 6th class. My daughter Vandana Yadav is studying in 5th class. And both of them are studying in last 5.5 years in this school. And I found both of girls are very well groomed and the school is good about the very strict discipline. That is the requirement of the today's in all our schools in India. And I think in last 5.5 years they were groomed like the extracurricular activities, games, the dance classes, music classes, and the swimming part. And I think one of the best school in the Pathankot.
The acumen of being a winner and simultaneously learning to lose is also taught in various disciplines in school. The school team regularly participates in various sports and games organized by state government and CBSE from time to time, and also have remained champions in swimming and skating. Students at Pratap World School get ample opportunity to develop aesthetic skills through hobby classes after school in dance, music, art and craft, and home science as well. They have even participated at 35th National Games held in Kerala as a part of cultural presentation. Both boys and girls are provided with separate AC hostels and a fearless, comfortable campus under the supervision of teachers. This school has students from every part of the country.
Hey, I am Mahashiva and I am here to express my hostel life in Pratap World School. In the hostel, I learn how to keep my things in the proper manner. I am self-independent and self-responsible.
Every evening, prep is conducted, during which children are given time to finish their homework and learning work. They are also made to shoulder their responsibilities and learn the importance of self-study. Remedial teaching is also provided for those who need extra help. One-to-one teacher-student provision is made for the students who require extra help. Students are under the supervision of prep parents who take care of the wholesome development of the student. Most of the time, child gets confused to choose the right career and is diverted from his goal. To help the children to choose the perfect career to fulfill their dreams and their parents' dreams, a number of career talks, inspirational and motivational talks are arranged from time to time by the experts of different fields like army official, great educationists, entrepreneurs, etc. Discipline is the first step of success. The Temple of Knowledge, PWS, emphasizes more on the discipline of the students. We teach our children to be independent. Daily assembly and prayer offers tranquility and inner strength. PT provides endurance and flexibility. Yoga gives concentration and peace of mind. We focus on the whole child.
A school which teaches to have faith in ourselves so that we can tackle any type of difficulties we faced in our life.
We are school which is child-centric. All our efforts, our work, endeavors revolve around the achievement of each student's potential academically, socially, and emotionally. We have a pastoral care system which is focused on our children. Meals are compulsory for staff and students alike. Balanced, healthy diet is provided to the children. Varieties of food are incorporated in the menu. Special lunch and dinners are also planned with DJ parties and night sports and games matches so that the students do not miss home and adjust well to the hostel life. Words are inadequate to express the love and affection shown to the children. It's like staying in a home away from home, said by the students. Outstation trips, outings, visits, and study tours are the common features of PWS to help children to have wider outlook from the future prospect. Academics and entertainment is well balanced. Hostels are made up of dormitories with attached washrooms. The dormitories are well equipped with AC and television and also study area for every child.
I thank my parents who sent me here. I thank chairman sir, Sunny sir, principal ma'am and Vishal sir who encouraged me.
Training in public speaking is given high priority. Children get the opportunity for engaging in hands-on exploration through various activities held throughout the academic year like debate, declamation, symposium, extempore, group discussions, case study analysis and seminar, etc. We ensure that our school is the safe and happy place for each child because we believe that a happy child is the child who learns and succeeds the best. Children cherish every moment spent at Pratap World School in its excellent care. Life at an early age has the most innocent faces, lovely smiles, curious eyes. What a wonderful age! It is a pre-primary wing. Pratap World School explores great ideas and knowledge to understand this world. They are really nurtured in the lap of mother, in the pollution-free natural environment. The school provides the platform for holistic development and the curriculum framed with the holistic approach. They have a world full of learning activities through dance, music, rhymes, story, movies, activities performed in the classroom, activity room, and worksheets. For fulfilling the new dreams of these birds, intensive care is provided to children, and the educational program is designed towards perfectional accomplishments. A gifted leader is the one who is capable of touching your heart. Our Honorable Chairman Sir, Shri Surjit Mahajan Ji, strongly says, your child is our child. True leadership is the art of changing a group from what it is into what it ought to be. Our Secretary Vishal Mahajan and Joint Secretary Mr. Sunny Mahajan desperately work on these lines.
Education is the movement from darkness to light, and the purpose of education is to turn mirrors into windows. And the function of education is to teach one to think critically and to think intensively. Intelligence plus character, that is the true goal of education. 21st century education is about skill development. It's about nurturing the overall personality of the child. The child should be made confident, bold, and courageous to express himself or herself freely in front of others. We need to prepare the children to face the day-to-day challenges of life. We need to prepare the children for the global marketplace so that they stand out as a team leader and as an innovator. And the child gets an opportunity and platform in this school to develop his or her potential and achieve success in life. We believe that your child is our child, and we are trying our best to bring out the best in them so that they achieve the success in life.
Every year, some students also get a chance to go abroad, either on a visit to NASA or for a higher study, as we have tie-up with reputed universities of Canada. University of Fraser Valley, Canada and Middlesex University, London. Fame is what you have taken, character is what you give. When to this truth you waken, then you begin to live.
PWS, a home away from home.
Pratap World School, Defence Road, Pangoli, Pathankot, Punjab. A world-class boarding school. The best boarding school for your son and daughter.